On October 21st, 2025, PR Newswire released a national survey by Express Employment Professionals and the Harris Poll. It revealed that 72% of U.S. hiring managers say their company already uses AI. Yet 55% admit they don't have enough training or resources for employees. That's the disconnect defining this new job market. Companies are racing to integrate AI, but people are being left behind. If you're a job seeker right now, this is your signal. The companies aren't necessarily replacing people, they're replacing skills. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era. Today, we're going to unpack what this report really means and how you can use it to your advantage instead of fearing it. Grab your notebook and let's get into it. The reality? AI adoption is skyrocketing, but training isn't. Companies are using AI in everything: recruiting, logistics, marketing, customer service, data entry, and finance. But according to PR Newswire, over half of employers say their teams lack the training to actually use the AI tools they've rolled out. That means two things. First, there's a skills gap. Second, that gap is your entry point. If you can speak the language of AI, even at a basic level, you're instantly more valuable. Because in every meeting where managers say we don't have training, they're really saying we need someone who understands this stuff. That could be you. But here's the problem: most workers aren't feeling empowered by AI. They're feeling threatened. PR Newswire reports that nearly 6 in 10 job seekers fear AI will replace their roles within the next 5 years. And honestly, that fear is understandable. We've watched headlines about layoffs, automation, and AI taking jobs. But the deeper truth is this: AI doesn't replace purpose, it replaces the process. If your work is repeatable, AI will support or automate parts of it. But if your work is relational, creative, or strategic, AI amplifies your value. The smartest professionals aren't asking, how do I keep my job? They're asking, how do I redesign my job with AI? That's the question that separates those who survive from those who soar. There's always an opportunity hidden in chaos. The PR Newswire report also found that 83% of hiring managers say AI is helping them make faster decisions. 69% say AI has improved productivity. But only 28% of workers say they've received any formal training at all. That's millions of professionals sitting in companies that use AI daily, but no one has shown them how to use it properly. And that's where you can step in, even before you're hired. When you walk into interviews already trained, even at a foundational level, you're not a risk, you're a resource. Your resume says ready. Your interview says relevant. Let's simplify this into a strategy. If 72% of companies use AI, your goal is to meet them halfway in 3 core areas. Here are 3 areas to upskill in immediately. Area 1: communication plus AI literacy. Learn how AI fits into your role. You don't have to code. You just need to know how to prompt, summarize, and optimize. Take free certifications: IBM's AI Essentials, Google's AI Foundations, or Microsoft's Responsible AI. Area 2: workflow automation. Can you automate basic reports, emails, or project steps? Even learning to use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Notion AI to generate templates saves hours. When you can show time savings, you're demonstrating leadership, not just effort. Area 3: human insight plus ethics. AI can process data, but it can't read the room. Train yourself to interpret AI output, not just copy it. Ethical use, fairness, and privacy are now skills that make you employable. According to Bill Stoller, chairman of Express Employment International, and I quote directly from the PR Newswire release, the challenge for businesses is implementing AI efficiently while ensuring workers have the skills to adapt and thrive. Translation: employers want AI trained staff. They just don't have time or budget to train them from scratch. So if you're a job seeker, consider the employer dilemma. Be proactive and solve it. Here's your strategy: learn the tools employers already use, demonstrate that you can onboard quickly, position yourself as the bridge between tradition and transformation. When companies see you as the person who can smooth the transition, they will fear you replacing someone. They'll pay you to train everyone else. Because of this acceleration, new job titles are appearing every month. Here are just a few AI-related roles that don't require a technical degree. AI support specialist. Trains staff on tool usage and workflow. Average salary, $65,000 to $85,000. Prompt engineer assistant. Helps teams create better outputs using generative AI. Average salary, $60,000 to $75,000. AI ethics analyst. Ensures compliance and fairness. Average salary, $90,000 to $110,000. AI project coordinator. Manages integration in existing systems. Average salary, $70,000 to $95,000. Each of these jobs came from the same reality: companies rushing ahead with tech and realizing they need humans who understand it. That's not a threat, it's an opportunity. Let's end this episode with your strategy blueprint. Here are 5 actions you can take this week that turn fear into advantage. Number 1, audit your resume. Add AI literate, prompt optimization, or workflow automation under your skills section. Even if you're self-taught, list the platforms you've used. Number 2, create a mini AI portfolio. Show how you've used AI in one real project. Lesson plans, marketing content, or operations. Screenshots count. Proof beats promises. Number 3, join one AI training community. Check out Google Cloud Skills Boost, IBM Skills Build, or Coursera's free AI courses. Commit to 1 hour per week. It's the most career-changing hour you'll ever spend. Number 4, follow industry trends weekly. Set a Google alert for AI in your field. Example, AI in HR, in retail, AI in education. Know where the changes are happening before they hit your workplace. Number 5, search LinkedIn for job titles that include AI plus your career field. Message people who already hold those roles. Ask, what's the most valuable AI skill you use daily? That one question gives you your next learning target. So the fear of being replaced is real, but the data shows that most companies don't have the talent pipeline to make that happen. So they need teachers, trainers, translators, people who can help the rest of the workforce adapt. So instead of fearing the 72%, become part of the 25% who are trained and confident. That's where the promotions, pay raises, and leadership roles live. AI isn't taking your job, it's rewriting your job description. The only question is, will your name still be on it? Give this video a thumbs up if it opened your eyes. Share it with a friend or coworker who's worried about AI taking their job. And don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow, we're exploring a free AI university that'll help you retool your skills and stand out in the job market. See you tomorrow, where AI preparation meets opportunity.